we cannot go further telling stories and sounding the next move of the Philippine National Police. I'd love to answer, and I like the way you ask questions, but it may, ma-preempt. Meron talagang mas malalim pa. That, at least I can assure you that there are somebody else. Kaya lamang talaga pagpapasensyahan nyo na limitado lang yung pwede naming ibigay muna because the embassy, the PNP, the SOJ, the DOJ, the MPD is really looking into this in your city government. But for the meantime, please, we are now on track on resolving the case because the primary suspect involved is now under the custody of the Philippine National Police and properly submitted to the prosecution office. So, magpa-follow up to. Ayun naman, talagang hindi lang namin may kwento sa inyo yung iba ninyong ninanais na informasyon. I hope you don't mind. You were about to, sige nga, sige.
You are mediking sa Rate po, Radyo Pilipinas.
Sure.
Naitawag po ba itong insidente sa 911 at gaano ba kalaga yung 911 sa ganitong pagkakataon?
Well, if you ask me about 911, I guarantee you I was there. And it is effective. I saw it, I tested it, I simulated it personally in the Philippine National Headquarters with General Torre. I saw how it works when I randomly suggested places in the country. It was done properly according to the target. And it was done also in Manila when we simulated a distress call from a house. And the police, and it was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Cayabyab, Police Officer Cayabyab, went to the distress call of a particular space or place at 4 minutes and 37 seconds. That is my experience with regard to your question. So ako, I can only attest on what I have experienced and what the 911 can bring to each and every one of us in case of emergency. So it's running based on my experience. Now, if it is what, ito naman kaso na ito, mabuti na lamang with the technology available, mas madaling nare-resolve at mas madaling nahanap ang mga suspect. So, for now,
last question to
modest assessment is that at least we are now on the right track in resolving fully and getting to the bottom of it. And I like your question, what is the motive behind it? And malalaan din natin yan kalaban. Kasi I for one, hindi naman pwede magka-involve ng pera kung walang motibo. Tama yun kami niya kanina. But hanggang doon lang muna kami.
So, yes, please.
Good afternoon na Mayor, Noche Kaka sa DCRH.
Yes, sir.
Mayor, after ng incident nung Friday, maraming mga negosyante talaga na alarma sa negosyo dahil this na ito. Pero after nitong arrested na yung mga suspect, ano po pakaramdam mo ngayon, Mayor?
Well, at least we're still in line with our policy. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, the least thing that I can do for Manila for now is maging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay. So, panatag in such a way that we will put things in right order as much as we can. But then again, hindi mo naman yan mapipigilan basta-basta ang isang masamang tao gumawa ng masama sa kanyang kapwa. But guarantee of your city government. And through the help of MPD and other enforcement unit in the case of maritime, sumisip pa yan. Yan, may nakuha nating suspect na dalawa, yung tinapon yung motor, sinisid pa ng maritime group natin para makuha yung getaway bike. This is a different story. You were not here earlier. There's kung paano na-resolve yung isang kaso na. The guarantee to the people of Manila and those visiting in the city of Manila is that pag ginawa nila yung krimen dito, ang ikamamatay nila, buya. Dahil hindi sila matutulad ng maybe. As we promise, we will spend every single cent in our city coffers to apprehend and bring these people to justice. And I think, for the meantime, our modest assessment, the PNP is on the right track in resolving this case or this matter or this incident. And I hope someday, somehow, walang mangyari ganito sa Pilipinas. Yes, I agree. They may have a very different impression of the country or the city or any place in the world for that matter. But we'll make sure that there is government in Manila and in the country.
Thank you.
Okay? Tapos na. Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Sa pamamagitan ng riding time din sa dalawang laban sa nasinakasay sa malaki ng nakaraan na Biyernes ng gabi. At sabi nga din dito na lang kayo. Dito na lang kayo.
Baka makikinig kasi yung pampagay. Mayroon tayong panyo.